The cylinder head gasket sits between the cylinder head and the engine block, acting as a critical sealing layer that keeps the engine operating under controlled pressure and temperature. Its main job is to seal the combustion chamber so that when the air-fuel mixture ignites, the pressure created stays inside the cylinder instead of leaking out. This trapped pressure is what forces the piston downward to produce power. At the same time, the head gasket also seals the pathways that carry engine coolant and engine oil between the block and the cylinder head. Coolant flows through channels to absorb heat from the engine, while oil moves through separate passages to lubricate moving parts like valves and camshafts. The gasket must keep these fluids separated from each other and from the combustion chamber, because if coolant or oil leaks into the cylinders, it can cause poor combustion, white exhaust smoke, overheating, or even severe engine damage. The head gasket is built from strong heat-resistant materials, often layered metal or composite materials, designed to withstand extremely high temperatures and pressures that occur every time the engine fires. When the cylinder head is bolted tightly onto the engine block, the gasket compresses slightly to fill tiny gaps and create a perfect seal across all mating surfaces. During engine operation, it constantly experiences expansion and contraction as the engine heats up and cools down, yet it must maintain its sealing ability. If the gasket fails due to overheating, poor installation, or long-term wear, combustion gases can escape, coolant may leak, and engine compression drops, leading to overheating, loss of power, mixing of oil and coolant, and in extreme cases, total engine failure. In short, the cylinder head gasket works as a pressure seal, fluid separator, and thermal barrier, making it one of the most vital components for keeping an engine efficient, reliable, and protected under demanding operating conditions.